We are Cindy and Eddie.
And this is Squeeze the Day.
Join us on this adventure as we go out to see the best views we've seen thus far. We think you'll be impressed just like we were.
We are on the coastline. It changed really abruptly to a forest. Look at this.
Route 101 is quite the drive.
We're headed to the Olympic National Park.
In 800 feet, turn right.
We have come to the visitor center to plan our visit here. Check out those metal cutouts, different animals laying in the grass.
This sign will give you a little bit more information about it, and they're lying out in a field for a very good reason. Pretty fantastic. Let's go inside and see what else they have to show us. Maybe we'll come across one of these on the way. Hopefully not, that's pretty big. We definitely don't want to see any big cats. But check out this epic log. That's got some real history on it. And this is where we're about to go hike.
We're going to Hurricane Ridge. Very misty up this way. And you can tell we're going to be going up into a cloudy area.
When we checked the weather report this morning, we didn't realize that it would be cloudy the whole way. But make sure you pay your entrance fee and follow along with us.
I think we're going up into a storm.
As we started to get higher up in the mountains, we were expecting the weather to change a little bit, but not as drastically as we started to see it here. However, we were determined to hike this mountain, and if we were able to catch a view, that would be even more beneficial. And we did find some things that were pretty interesting to see along the way. Stay tuned, we'll show them to you.
Look at the way the mist is just magical.
So we've stopped here at this little overlook. That's one side with the trees and the mountains. We'll show you over here. Can't see a thing. I'm not even sure where the mountain is.
Because of the way the clouds kept coming in and out, we figured there would be a couple of clear patches at least. But then look how foggy it got.
Just like that, we're in the sun. I think it's short-lived though.
On the way up, we were still able to find some pretty fantastic views between the patches of clear and patches of clouds, but there's more. Right here is the visitor center for this part of the mountain. Make sure you stop here and ask any questions you might have or use the restroom, and make sure you follow the rules. And here's the trailhead.
We are on our way up Hurricane Hill.
We're here. We'll be going up the trail to this place.
That's 5,757 feet.
We're really excited to take this trail.
And we're excited to take you along with us.
Let's go.
The clouds kept rolling in and out while we were walking, so one minute it would be cloudy and the next it was clear.
Never in my life have I done a hike like this before. Get a little bit of rain.
High winds and erratic weather patterns, but quite beautiful. Anybody know what those flowers are? They had some really interesting rock formations too. One minute it was absolutely breathtaking, and the next...
You can actually feel the mist coming up over this little ridge.
Oh wow, green, right? We turned around and ooh, that's gorgeous.
As we push on, we've discovered that there are some fantastic views on the way up. I can't wait to get to the top to see more. Because a lot of this is uphill, we had to take a little bit of a chipmunk break. Look how cute they are.
Imagine when you could see the whole thing.
There comes a point when you're starting to wonder if this is going to make a video at all. But we kept going because we really wanted to get to the top just to see what it was like up there. And that is the top, so we can see it at least. And this is the final curve. And this is the view that we walked all the way up here for.
Except for the fact that there's a cloud right now, that would be what we'd be seeing right out that way.
One of the other visitors pointed these guys out to us so we could enjoy that view as well.
Made it to the top. Unfortunately, it is too foggy or cloudy or windy or whatever it is. Not enough visibility. It's just getting windier, so
We're gonna head down before it starts to rain.
Don't leave just yet. Everything changes on our way downhill.
On the way down, everything just lifted. Yo, this is what we missed on the way up. That was the overlook we were just at.
These are some of the most amazing views we've ever seen, and we cut these clips down just to keep the length of this video from being overwhelming. However, we do have the full-length clips at the end of this video. Feel free to go back there and enjoy them.
This is what we were trying to show you when we walked up that hill.
As you can see, we sure enjoyed this view and spend a long time up here, relaxing, feeling the breeze, and just enjoying that view. It was amazing. But we eventually had to get going. And then we saw these guys on our way down. Leave a comment below how many of you said, "Aww," like me.
if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so that you can continue to follow along with us as we continue on this adventure.
And as always, squeeze the day and be well.